Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, and compliments of the seasons as well. In this video I want to go through my analysis for gold, and just gonna go through from the weekly and monthly time frame actually, and work my way down just to see what has happened or how the general trend for gold has been like. And on the weekly time frame we can see that price has made this sort of upward move and then started to range between the 2070 area and the 1620 area, and that's what we are seeing at the moment. You can see price came down to test support at the 1810 area and then back to the 2070 area. Price tried to break out of it. You can see that significant move up here to an all-time high for gold, and then price ended up going back down below that area. So generally that's what we are seeing for gold on the monthly time frame. I can see gold is more or less within this range at the moment. So it's what we're seeing range gold ranging in this area. Now if we go down to the weekly time frame, just to have a quick look at the weekly time frame as well, you can see on the weekly time frame price is still within this range, closing below this 2070 area, and currently at support resistance, and a very strong resistance area as well. And what we'll be looking for is to see how price reacts to this area, and if we get a good sell signal from here, we can still capitalize on that by taking our sell trades to the downside. And if price does break above this area and closes above it, whether on the weekly time frame especially, or then yeah, we should be looking to continue the buy trade. So if there is a weekly time frame that eventually breaks through this resistance area up to the upside and closes above it, then that for me is a strong indication that price will continue to the upside, and then we just keep looking for buy trades until price gets back to this all-time high. And the reason being that this area has held quite strongly for a long time. The last time that price had this was first tested this level was on the 3 years ago or 3.5 years ago, and price has kept hitting that area and not breaking above it. Now if we go to our daily time frame, again we can see that price got to the resistance area there, and let me just take this out. So price got to the resistance area, bounced off it, and you can see it with this long wick forming there, so meaning that there was a bit of selling pressure there as well, and this could possibly mean price bouncing from there to the downside, possibly back to resistance support here at the 2007 area or even further down. If we go to our 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame we can see what I was talking about. Price getting into this zone, the 2070 zone, and then quickly bounce into the downside. So possibly we could expect price to continue this down move gradually all the way to the downside back to support level at the 2007 area, and or price could more or less bounce from this area. So if we take our and draw this channel here, we can see that with this channel drawn, price can either break to the downside and continue all the way through, or we can see price possibly getting down here and bouncing back up to the upside. When it gets here, it can either form this sort of double top pattern and then down, or it can break through and continue to the upside, right? Or it can bounce from there to the downside. So this essentially is what we are looking at. We can expect price to react to these areas here. So this is one zone, this 2007 area. If the price does come back up to this area, we'll be looking to see if price breaks it to the upside, it comes back for a retest, or if price again forms a sell signal from there. The next area we're looking for is this zone, this lower side of the channel, to see if price again comes back down there and either forms a buy trade from there to the upside, or if price breaks it to the downside. Again, this essentially is what I will be looking out for in the coming weeks or days for gold. I'll be looking to see which of this move plays out, because any of this is really possible with gold, and all we have to do is just watch and wait and see which of these possible moves play out. In the long run, looking from the monthly time frame, we can see that we are ranging, we are at a significant support resistance area. Price generally has been moving to the upside, and I expect that price will eventually, whether it's price coming back down before it breaks to the upside, or whether it's price just breaking to the upside from where it is now, eventually price will break to the upside and gold will continue to form higher highs. The question is when that would happen and how we can capitalize on it. For now, we can see that we are at this significant area of resistance, where we're expecting to see price reactions, whether a buy signal or a sell signal. At the moment, it seems price is giving us a sell signal, given this long pin bar here that we can see on the daily time frame. And on the week, on the 4-hour time frame, that again just buttresses the point that we're making, that price has bounced from this resistance area here and is heading to the downside. So how will I personally trade this? There are two ways that you can trade it. So you can enter a trade immediately from here if you're not already in the sell trade. Put your stop loss above this area here, and then you can put your take profit here at the 2007 area, giving us about 450 pips in profit. So we can do that, okay? Another thing that we can do is just to wait and be patient. And if we can wait on this, so as a swing trader, this is my most likely trade for gold, and this is what I will be looking to take. If I was a day trader, or if I was going to day trade, I will go down to a lower time frame. I will wait for price to get down back down to this area here, to this trend line, this lower limit here, and seeing that price has tested that level there previously, I will be looking to see price go back down into this area, and this price gives me a buy signal. From there, I can take my buy signal as a trend line, bounce off the trend line back to the upside. Or if price does break this trend line, then I'll be looking to enter my sell trade on the break of the trend line as well, and just trade a sort of the trend line breakout strategy. So essentially, this is my analysis for gold. I'm just going to wait and see which of these plays out, and then I will capitalize on it. As I said, my most likely move would be to take a sell trade from here, put my stop loss above this zone, and my take profit will be down here. So this is what I will be looking to trade in the coming weeks as well. So you can also try that. Just ensure that you have proper risk management and you're not risking your whole capital. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great week and a great Christmas. Cheers.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.